We call it progress. A digital oracle in our pockets. But behind the cursor of ChatGPT lies a silent trade-off. We aren't just training the AI. The AI is training us. The first secret: cognitive atrophy. When you outsource the struggle of writing, you outsource the growth of your own mind. We are becoming masters of the prompt, but novices at original thought. We're trading our mental depth for a faster output. Then, there's the infinite average. Since AI only predicts the most likely word, it polishes away human quirks. We are entering an era of digital inbreeding, where creativity is replaced by statistical probability. If everything is perfect, nothing is special. But the real danger? The empathy gap. We're using bots to write our apologies, our love letters, and our hearts. If a machine synthesizes your soul, is it still yours? The question isn't what the AI can do. It's what you have forgotten how to do. Don't let the cursor think for you. Thank you for watching.